Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, US100. We've traded down into a key level of support. Look left, you can see these lows. Just mark them up, back through, right back. Okay, that's a big level. The daily time frame, we'll mark it up 1D, where are we? Level daily. Rightio, so we're trading down into this and we've got a target above on the daily. So my question is, where to from here? Well, we're fairly overextended. Let me just mark that up as a daily and we'll go down to the lower time frame. Down to the 4H, and what I'm seeing here is, at the moment, righto, so we've got this bullish break of structure through here, BOS. Well, lower low, but then we get this breakout, higher high, higher low. It's a bit wonky. At the moment, higher low coming down into this daily, so we could mark up. So we've got a nested level here on the 4H, so we'll just mark that. And we have, so I'm looking for an opportunity, but I want to just map this out so that you need a good roadmap, and these levels pretty much give it to us. Now we've got this back through here, so see this leg here, this red candle, so that's what we're dealing with at the moment. So we've traded right into this, as you can see where price is currently trading. So my question is, does this hold here? Is this the beginning of some kind of reversal? It remains to be seen. The other thing we have with this is, given that we're trading into a daily support level, if we have a look above on the 4H, we've got this thin candle here. See this balance area? Trades up, takes out liquidity, trades down, but we have this gap. So looking at this candle, if we take the candle left and the candle right, and we mark up that, I'll just color it, price gap, and that's a 4H. This is definitely a level of interest for me in terms of, if I get involved here with a buy, see this 4H here, 4H, and then the price gap. This combo definitely would be a level to be mindful of, insofar as maybe target one down around here, something like that. If you were to counter trend this, trade it. Then we've got this price gap, and above that we've got this daily distribution zone. So the key levels for me is going to be a possibility that this will look to fill this gap, and then we've got the low of this daily level. I mean, this area here, that's a pretty important level. Look left, we can see how it's traded in through here. Just the base of this balance area here. So that would be target 2 if I'm looking for a, let's see. Alright, so this would be T1 for me if this is a counter trend. Be careful though. I'd wait for the setup. Let's just see. Target 1, take 70% off. Target 2 would be, just at the base of this, through here, back here, see these lows? Through this price gap, just under this candle low, something like that. So there's T2. Target 3, if you're going to be trailing it with a stop loss, see these lows over here in this balance area? Well, that's my next port of call up in here, T3, something like that. And I mean, if you want to keep going, you just have a look at these levels. You've got this balance area, you've got, up in here, just under the high of this daily, and then you've got these lows over here. So that's essentially how I'm looking for targets, and I mean, T3, well, where do you want to go with that? You got these highs over here, so that, something like that, that could be a T4. There you go. T4, T5. If you're going to be trailing it with your stop loss, these are the levels that you want to keep an eye on. So counter trend, possibly, given how extended this is, higher low. It's trending down at the moment. So my question with this is, let's go down to the lower time frame and just keep an eye on this, and I'll show you how I would get involved with that. And by the way, guys, if you haven't already, check out the links below. You'll see, I'll go to a 15, I think. Maybe even a 5, but we'll go here first. Have a look at, there's a couple of links. One is We Trade Your Forex account. That'll take you to some interesting statistics. And the other one is it's a link to join our free Telegram group. I'd love to see you in there, and you're most welcome. Here's the thing. Now, we're heading into the London Open, kicks off around 1900 my time, right here. So we just mark up that session open time. Monday, hang on a sec. It's London session open. And watch as we trade into this. If this spikes down, this could be an opportunity. So this is the sort of thing that I'm going to be looking for. Right? So we've got this range through the Asian session into the London Open. And the play that I will be looking for is this. 15-minute. Let's go to the 5. Now we've got a roadmap. We've got these levels marked up above. The sort of thing I'm looking for is going to be something like, I'm looking for a buy opportunity. And, it could be, if this breaks above here, and then it breaks below here, then I'm going to be looking for something like, that on the lower time frame. So I'm waiting to see liquidity get taken out above and below the range here, possibly here, but more than anything, I'm thinking if we see this kind of hold this low, let's say we don't get so much a dip down, I think I'd be looking for this, like a bit of a fake out here. So the trading, this is building liquidity above and below this range. This is what's happening right now. So we get this liquidity pool, all right, above here, and this is ripe for the picking. So smart money is going to be looking to tap into that. So the kind of thing, if I'm looking to buy here, I want to see a bit of a fake out. They take it down, and then let's just say they take it up and they break this range. That would be the first sign for me that we could be looking to go long here. But you want to be careful, because quite often you'll see when they build a range like this, you get a fake out, then you get the shakeout. However that happens, look, it could trade up into the London market, it trades down, and as we approach the Asia close, we get a move, who knows. But I'm going to be looking for first of all, I want to see the break above. I call it the fakey shaky. So we get the fake out, and then I want to see the break below the shakeout. And then this is potentially, if this sets up, that's the opportunity. That's the opportunity for a counter trend, trade back through, and we had these levels marked. We've got this price gap imbalance, got key levels above. You can see here my target. So that's the kind of play I'm looking for at the moment. Now, if this doesn't set up, I would let it go. If we get it, if they push it up and then they push it down under, and then we see from here higher highs, higher lows on the lower time frame, even a 3-minute chart, I want to see that start to develop, and then I'm in, and that's a buy opportunity, something like that. Hope that makes sense, guys. I've got a whole bunch of tutorials on this, and if you join VIP, you get access to all of that. So anyway, the links are below. Look, I hope you have a great day. This is a bit of an idea. Safe trading. Fridays, be careful. They tend to take the market in the opposite direction to where retail traders are expecting it to go. Friday and Monday can be a bit of a tough call. So with that, take care. See you in the next one.